Letter on importance of learning English. Suppose you are Rimon, your friend Shumon wants to know about the importance of learning English. Now write a letter to your friend about the importance of learning English. Dear Shumon, thank you for your letter. You wanted to know about the importance of learning English. Today I will tell you the same. English is an international language. We cannot communicate with the other corner of the world without English. All international seminars and discussions are held in English. Any good job is hardly possible without English. Books on higher studies are also written in English. To be a good doctor, a good teacher, a good engineer, one must have a good knowledge of English. So I advise you to learn English to make life successful. No more today. Write me about the importance of learning mathematics. Your loving friend Rimon. শেষে আমরা পোস্টাল স্ট্যাম্প লিখে লেটারটা শেষ করব। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।